hotels that I've ever been in my entire life, I have never seen a Bluetooth mirror. All right, we have made it to Houston. So, bad boy right here, pick me up. What'd you pick me up in?
Put you up in a Dodge Ram.
America! For those of you that don't know, we are in Houston for a brand Viking meetup. And so we are meeting up in Houston, and then we're heading over to San Antonio. And right now, as a matter of fact, we need to go get some masks from either Target or Walmart because we are waiting on masks from the Beard Struggle. We're not sure if they're going to get here or not, but we're being proactive with the situation. You want to give them a little briefing, a little preface to the situation as far as the meetups with the brand Vikings and whatnot. What do we have planned? What's in store?
So,
hypothetically,
tomorrow, hopefully, we're going to be getting together at a bar, maybe doing a little axe throwing, going out, doing some shoots, getting some portraits done. And then Sunday, we're going to go out, hit a Japanese tea garden, do a little axe throwing, as usual, and then drink.
we need to get this party started.
100%.
But it's business. It's business. We just need to get into the flow of things.
Gotta knock the edge off.
So we're about to do this.
Let's do it.
Go time! This guy right here is 2 for 2 with running red lights.
Going down one ways. I'm just making sure that we put our mark on the city and claim it as ours.
Mission accomplished as far as the bandanas, so we're on our way to Hey Merchant. Yes. And we're going to be meeting up with the Vikings there. Let's go. Find this place. It's a lot, bro.
Everything's a
Since
one way.
when don't you go the wrong way on one ways? Oh, I see some tattooed guys. Bro, we made it, dude.
How's it going, man?
Good. How you doing?
Doing good. What's up, bro? How's it going?
Thank you. This is legit. We made it finally. I'm sorry.
My name's Anthony. I have a superpower. I was born with a genetic condition called congenital insensitivity to pain. 40 people in the world have it right now.
My name's Jenny, and I'm here with this fine Viking fellow here. And we're gonna throw some axes today.
What's going on? I'm Jared Stam. I'm here with the Beard Struggle dudes, and we're gonna have a good day today.
I don't have anything to say.
Whenever you're ready, take a big step, lift the wrist, follow through. Ideally, that was horrible. Alright, dude, that's my first day here.
Said big glass window, and like, come on, there's windows everywhere. The leather strap on the back. Ta-da! We did our axe throwing. Boom! Hey! What?